Hello guys, good day. This is 𝗕𝗥𝗘𝗫. You're welcome to this video. I have come with another powerful and very profitable trading strategy. This trading strategy is all about scalping boom and crash. How to scalp boom and crash successfully. How to scalp boom and crash profitably every 1 minute. This strategy will let you understand, will show you how to scalp boom and crash within 1 minute. Every 1 minute you pick one and you get out of the market. Every 1 minute you pick one candle and you get out of the market. Yeah, so that is what the strategy is all about. Actually, it's a very simple strategy that anybody can use. It's actually very simple. It works with these two indicators you are seeing below. That is awesome oscillator and accelerator oscillator. So let's get started. But before I get started, if this is your first time coming to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload new videos like this. And if you have been watching my videos before and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe right away and be among those that will be notified whenever I upload amazing strategies like this. So thank you. So let's get started. So this strategy, the way it works is actually very simple. It's actually a very simple strategy, like I said earlier. So what you do is you pick one candle with this strategy and you get out of the market. Right, so let me show you how the strategy works. So let me start from here. So you can see here now what you watch out for. As you can see, we have two indicators below here. We have AC and we have AO. The AC is accelerator oscillator, while the AO is awesome oscillator. All right, so the first thing you need to look out for is the AC, which is the accelerator oscillator. You have to watch out for when it is red. When the red just started like this, when it just started from green to red, right? This red just started now. Okay, it started from this candle. Okay, so once it has confirmed red, which shows that the trend, the candle are moving downward. The price are moving downward at that point in time. So the next thing is for you to watch out for when the awesome oscillator, which is the below one, the down one here, the down one, the AO, when it will also change to red. That is the time it just changed from green to red. Okay, so how you easily know is that when the first candle, this is the grain, this is the last grain on the awesome oscillator, right? So you wait for the next one, which is the red, to completely form. That's this red, this first red, right? So when it formed fully, that means that's when you will know that okay, it has also started showing red candles, right? That is red bars, right? So on the next one, by the time the next candle opens, that is the second red bar on the awesome oscillator, you understand, immediately the first red completely and the next second one started forming. Immediately it opened, that is when you also enter the market here. You enter the market from here. You enter sell from here. You understand? So you enter sell and you only pick just one candle. You pick just one candle and you exit the market. Okay, this strategy you can actually use a moderately big lot size for it. You understand? Because you are like a very you're like a sharpshooter. You are like a sniper here. You understand? So you are not staying long in the market at all with this strategy. You understand? This strategy actually can help you to catch up to like 2-3 candles, but you know, it's, I mean, to be on the safe side, you understand, to always be sure that, you know, you can always enter and get out. You can always enter and get out. Stick to picking just one candle at a time. So use a reasonable, a moderately big, not don't because of this use too big lot size. Okay, so at least let the lot size be a little bit moderate. Don't let it be too small, don't let it be too big. Okay, so according to your, depending on your account size. So pick just one candle and leave the market, wait for the next signal to come. Okay, so that's how that's how the signal works. That's how the strategy works for this. Okay, so in this boom and crash market, this strategy is only used to trade boom and crash. It doesn't work for volatility like this, though there's a way you can use it to trade volatility. There's a way you can use it to trade step index and other currency pairs as well, but it's not exactly like this. So I'm going to do that in another video, so you can watch out for it. So so yeah, in boom and crash, you only use it to sell in boom. This is a boom market that we have right now, so you only use it to sell in boom, and in crash market you use it to buy. Yeah, so use it to buy in crash, then use it to sell only on boom. All right, so let's look at another example. Actually, this method I'm showing you, this with this same strategy, see this same indicators, there are two ways you can use it. This is just the first one I'm showing you now. I'm still going to show you the second one in this video, or maybe I'll upload it in another video. Let's see how it goes. So the second one, yeah, this is another one right here, right? So you wait for the AC to first of all change to red. So oh, no, okay, in this case now we have 𝗙𝗢 as red first, but in most cases it is AC that is usually red first because it's faster than 𝗙𝗢. So but in a case whereby you have the 𝗙𝗢 that has been, been on red first, then and the AC also changed to red, then you can also follow the same method that you use. That is, this one has already been on red, then immediately this one is also changed to red, then you wait for the second candle. Immediately the second candle started rather, then you enter the market, pick just one candle, 1 minute, and get out of the market. So if you're using a reasonably moderately large lot size, with this you can always have at least minimum of $1 per candle. There's the same thing here, right? So there's the same thing here, right? So you can see there's the same thing here, red. So once the two of them have matching red, then you're good to go. Take just one candle and exit the market, then wait for the next signal to come. Okay, every time it happens, you can always take one candle and get out of the market. Okay, so that's how it works. You can see it can always pick one candle and exit the market, pick one candle and leave the market alone for the next signal. You can see there are a lot of one candle you can pick every time this signal shows up. You can see it. So let's quickly check it on crash market. So let's check crash 1000 and see crash 1000. So here we are buying. Okay, this is it here. You can see it here. Pick one candle and leave the market. Yeah, the same thing here. Pick one candle and leave the market. Same thing here. Pick one candle and leave. So you can see the strategy is simply amazing. It's as amazing as simply as it is. So I believe you guys understand how the strategy works now. You can see just one candle and leave the market. Don't be greedy with it. You understand? Always, always be disciplined with it to exit after every one candle. So that's how it works. I don't want this video to be too long. This is 10 minutes already. So I guess I'm gonna be uploading the second way to use the same set of indicators. I'm going to be uploading it in another video because I don't want this video to be too long. So thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, I'm going to be leaving the setup for this video, for this indicators. I'm going to be leaving it in the description below this video. So just scroll down to the description box and see the detailed setup for these two indicators, so you can easily set it up on your mobile phone, as well. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and be one of those that will be notified every time I upload new strategies like this. I always do this every week, at least once a week, or 2 to 3 times a week. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.